Alright, so while I have the door panel off, and you can find that, because it's a black vehicle or a charcoal gunmetal gray, you're gonna have a tough time seeing these guys. And this is for the door mirror. Look, little stickies. Come on, puppy. And there it is. There's the 10 mils. That's it. I guess if you got a different color car, you can see these better. But you can see them, little stickies. Now, it would have been nice if you didn't have to take the door panel off to get the mirror out, but you got to. This cover only covers so much. Whoop! As I drop it. This cover covers so much of the actual mirror itself that even when you reveal it, you still got to get to this guy. Right, so maybe you can get your hand in there. Doubt it. You probably have a tough time. Just take the door panel off, man. It's like 2 minutes, if that. So, here's your door mirror. There's one here, all 10 mils, and the whole puppy will come out. All right, so like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.